The Solana blockchain, which competes with Ethereum, is one of the hottest new networks. To boost adoption, all major networks require a secure and dependable wallet. That's the Phantom Wallet in Solana's case. Reliable, efficient, and effective, that's the Phantom Wallet. The Solana Phantom Wallet is an all-in-one decentralized finance wallet that is growing in popularity as the Solana ecosystem expands. Phantom allows users to hold cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, and idle assets to generate a passive income. The Phantom Wallet, which can be used to trade tokens immediately from the wallet's interface, also allows users to stake SOL and retain Solana NFTs. And if you're still confused about some aspects of it and you want to know more about it, look no further. Everything you need to know about the Phantom Wallet is right here in this video. But before that, hello there, this is Crypto Talks, where all your questions about cryptocurrency are answered. So what are we waiting for? Without further ado, here's everything you need to know about the Phantom Wallet. The rise of Solana. First, let's talk about Solana. The Solana blockchain was built by Raj Gokul and Anatoly Yakovenko in late 2017. Their initiative was intended to solve the scalability problems that most blockchain networks at the time were experiencing. Yakovenko published a white paper detailing Proof of History, or POH, a revolutionary timekeeping technique for distributed systems. A core team of developers, including ex-engineers from Qualcomm, Intel, and Apple, constructed the Solana ecosystem. Solana Labs was founded by the network's founders to help enhance the Solana ecosystem. The Solana ecosystem debuted its mainnet beta in March 2020. Solana is highly scalable and, according to its creators, the world's fastest blockchain. It is well known for its SOL token and wide range of DeFi solutions. Solana is built to perform over 50,000 transactions per second, making it a competitor with PayPal and Visa. Solana lets developers establish dApps, decentralized exchanges, and NFT marketplaces because it was built to compete with Ethereum and other smart contract networks. According to dApp Radar, the total value locked on the Solana blockchain for the DeFi space in January 2022 was roughly $2.36 billion. Magic Eden, Radium, and Solanart are the most popular dApps on Solana. SOL is Solana's native cryptocurrency, and it powers the whole Solana ecosystem. SOL covers network fees and encourages staking. The price increase was aided by the project's numerous collaborations and network launches. Each major blockchain network also necessitates the usage of a secure and user-friendly Bitcoin wallet. That's the Phantom Wallet in Solana's case. So, what is the Phantom Wallet? The Phantom Wallet is the most popular cryptocurrency wallet for the Solana blockchain. It is a non-custodial Web 3.0 wallet. Because Solana only launched its mainnet in 2020, most new crypto consumers haven't heard of it. Phantom Wallet is a mirror of the Metamask wallet for the Ethereum network. Web 3.0 attempts to merge Web 1.0's decentralized nature, in which individuals and corporations own their own websites, with Web 2.0's current functionality. The Phantom Wallet is a browser-based crypto wallet similar to Metamask. By just logging in with your Phantom Wallet and engaging with a Solana application, you will be able to connect your wallet. Phantom is designed to support Web 3.0 by allowing users to freely transfer crypto assets between their wallets and the Solana dApps. The Phantom Wallet, for example, can be used to play blockchain games and claim in-game coins. They can then connect to decentralized exchanges like Radium to exchange those tokens for fiat money or any other Solana-supported tokens using the same wallet. USDT, USDC Radium or Ray, SRM, and every utility token launched with Solana's dApps are currently supported by the Phantom Wallet. If you've ever used Metamask, the Phantom Wallet will feel extremely familiar. The user interface is simple to use and navigate. Most users would likely appreciate the following Phantom Wallet features: built-in exchange, NFT compatibility, cryptostaking capabilities, ability to link a hardware wallet or ledger, and Web 3.0 support. Other features that may be added to the Phantom Wallet in the near future include support for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, the availability of more markets to the Phantom Swap feature, and multi-chain support. Phantom's built-in exchange. A decentralized exchange is embedded within the Phantom Wallet. It allows users to be able to exchange Solana-based tokens directly from their wallets. When making swaps, the swap interface is identical to the one on the Metamask wallet, and it shows the swap rate, slippage tolerance, and projected cost. More than $1 billion worth of trades have been processed since the Phantom Wallet debuted the swap feature in June 2021. This wallet attempts to improve the DEX experience by quickly addressing UX and scalability issues. The Phantom Wallet is NFT compatible. NFT items from the Solana blockchain are supported by the Phantom Wallet. Many investors wish to diversify their portfolios beyond Ethereum because NFTs have grown to be such a large sector. The wallet features a function that combines comparable NFTs together to make them easier to find. You won't have to scour through hundreds of NFTs to discover what you're looking for this way. It's worth noting that the Phantom Wallet only works with Solana NFTs. If the wallet is unable to recognize the token as an NFT, it will be displayed as an SPL token. Cryptostaking Capabilities. Using the Phantom Wallet, investors can stake Solana currency and get returns. The Solana staking rewards, like those of other cryptocurrencies that may be staked, are determined by the validators chosen from among those that are accessible. Please keep in mind that the wallet has no built-in staking capabilities and merely connects investors to validators who accept the stake and pay out the rewards. It's simple to stake Solana. Once you have SOL in your wallet, click on the Solana balance and click Start Earning SOL. The wallet will display a list of validators from which you can choose. After you've chosen one, simply click Stake to start staking SOL with the Phantom Wallet. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button to get a notification for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. What do you think about the Phantom Wallet so far? On a scale of 1 to 10, how interesting is the Phantom Wallet? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. Hardware wallet or ledger support. You can use the Phantom Wallet to connect to Ledger, a popular hardware wallet. This ensures that your tokens remain secure on your hardware device at all times. Currently, this feature is only available on Ledger hardware devices. To link your Ledger hardware wallet to your Phantom Wallet, you should first install Ledger Live on your device. After that, you can connect your Ledger hardware wallet. To pair your wallet, you'll need to create an address and an account. Web3 Support. The decentralized internet is represented by Web3. It can combine the strengths of blockchain technology and the internet to enable decentralized applications or dApps. As the Solana ecosystem grows, internet users will be able to interact with thousands of apps. The pros and cons of the Phantom Wallet. In the pros section, the wallet is simple to use and works with a variety of browsers, including Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. It has a built-in swap and may be used with a hardware wallet for added protection. Finally, your private keys and crypto money are solely accessible to you. On the con side, the Phantom Wallet is a new wallet, having only been released in 2021. Because it is still in its early stages, there will be risks. In addition, the Phantom Wallet is only for the Solana ecosystem and does not support any other networks. How to use the Phantom Wallet. The Phantom Wallet is an easy-to-use web extension that may be downloaded. It's as simple as installing the plugin, creating a new wallet, or importing an old wallet using the seed phrase. The wallet will show you your portfolio balance, as well as allow you to transfer and receive coins and use other features. Is the Phantom Wallet the Metamask of Solana? The shortest and most direct answer is yes, the Phantom Wallet is the Metamask of the Solana ecosystem. And given that the Sol platform doesn't appear to be slowing down in terms of developing and launching new decentralized applications, you'll almost certainly need a Solana wallet to interact with it. Due to the fact that it is still relatively new, more functionality will be added over time. So far, it appears to be in good working order and ready to keep, swap, and stake SOL in a non-custodial manner. And that's the video. What do you think? What's your most favorite feature of the Phantom Wallet? Let us know in the comments below. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated about our latest content. If you want your cryptocurrency questions to be answered, then Crypto Talks is what you're looking for.